Tonight is my videographer's birthday. He has been an essential part of my project. In fact, without him, the Happitalist would have not come to life in images so vivid you all like. So, what do you give to a person who has worked so hard to bring your vision to life? He and his friends are coming over tonight as I ponder this question. Do you buy something expensive? Is the monetary value transfer the intention? The truth is, in our society, yes. The more expensive means the more you have sacrificed or cared about someone. But what if you conveyed to the person your intentions? How about intentionally spending a day thinking of that person and what they mean to you and transfer the same feeling? So I dedicated the day to that. Shopping list, menu, setup, making dinner, and serving it. Parallel to it, making a few gifts that you know the person likes, but making it yourself instead of buying it. I made him a small succulent bonsai because I listened to him. I made him placemats because I heard he liked them. And finally, I wrote a card for him. Parallel universes work. At the same time I was busy with this task, I received a gift. A portrait of me by my multi-talented artist friend Firuze Khatibi, who has been working on this for weeks. My grandma used to say, only the hand that gives receives. And this age-old wisdom rings so true. don't have to spend a lot of money when you have the right intentions. I don't believe in quid pro quo gifts because it builds expectations and ultimately resentments. Give with all your heart, and if you want, don't give because you're obligated. Thank you for spending this time with me. If you like this and our other videos, please spend a second and subscribe to our YouTube channel.